This is the Karcher T10-1 Advanced Dry Tub Vacuum Cleaner, designed for professional use. This machine was developed to meet the specific needs of the UK market by providing a tough machine that's easy to use and service, and that offers low whole life costs. The T10-1 Advanced weighs only 6.5 kilos and features a carry handle on the top, large wheels at the back and swivelling casters at the front, making it very easy to move around. It's also got a large on-off switch on the top that can even be operated by foot, and a cable wrap to keep the power lead neat and tidy. The machine features a powerful 1250 watt motor, giving great suction performance, and the combination of 2.5 metre suction hose and 12 metre power cable provide a wide working radius. The machine has 10 litres capacity, and access to the dust bag is simple. Just release 2 clips, take off the head and remove the large filter. This filter also enables the machine to be used without a bag if the area being cleaned is fairly dust-free. Thanks to the kettle-type plug on the T10-1 Advance, the cable can easily be replaced with just a screwdriver, without the need to call out an engineer. The floor tool can be quickly switched when cleaning carpets and hard floors. The T10-1 Advanced Vacuum Cleaner from Karcher. Tough, simple, and with great performance.